Hi, welcome to our video. I am Arulmolinathan, Assistant Professor from Department of Aeronautical Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today what we are going to see is jet engine and the gas cycle that it is working on. A jet engine is a type of a reaction engine discharging a fast moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion. The broad definition can include rocket, water jet and hybrid propulsion. But commercially in aircraft we are using turbine propulsion. We otherwise call it as air breathing jet engines. That is turbojet, turbofan and turboprop. Without the turbines, the engines are known as ramjet, pulsejet or scramjet. In general, jet engines are internal combustion. The working of a jet engine is predominantly it breathes air, that is, it sucks in air in front with an assay which is compressed by the compressor. The compressor is attached to a shaft which is in turn connected to the turbine. The compressor is run by the turbine, but before the air passes through the turbine, the compressed air is combusted in the combustion chamber which is located in between the compressor and the turbine. The combusted air is then passed through the turbine for expansion, where the turbine gets rotated by the combusted gas. That turbine rotation is supplied to the compressor for compression of the air. Now the exhaust gases are passed through a nozzle which produces a jet of exhaust gases. By Newton's third law, this exhaust jet gases by reaction produces thrust, that is forward thrust, which makes the aircraft move. So a gas turbine engine can be separated into two sections. One is the cold section and hot section. The cold section consists of intake and the compressor, and the hot section consists of combustion chamber, turbine and the exhaust nozzle. All these components are connected through a shaft. The gas cycle in which the gas turbine engine works is the Brayton cycle. The PV diagram of Brayton cycle is shown here. The process 1 to 2, the entropy is constant and compression takes place. The process 2 to 3, combustion takes place and heat is supplied. And the process 3 to 4, the entropy is constant and the gases are expanded through the turbine and the nozzle. In the process 4 to 1, the gases are let out to the atmosphere, so the heat is let out. The performance of a jet engine. The fundamental performance task for a single shaft turbojet is to match the operation of the compressor, turbine and propelling nozzle. That is, the compressor operates in a determined by the flow resistance behind it, which occurs in combustion, turbine, tailpipe and propelling nozzle. The characteristics of a jet engine is that it is a reaction engine discharging a fast moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion. By this broad definition, we can include rocket, water jet and hybrid propulsion. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video.